everyone, welcome to Movies in All Konchence. Today we have another HorrorPack unboxing. This is for the month of June. As you can see, I'm doing this one a little different. I'm kind of doing it handheld because I don't have my camera stand with me. But anyway, let's see what we got for this month. And please excuse the fact that I'm doing it with one hand. The first one is Blood from the Mummy's Tomb. This is a Scream Factory title. I've never seen this film. Looks like a classic film. So, there you go. Second one is, this is the HorrorPack limited edition, The Girl Who Cried Her Eyes Out. This is number 96. We're almost getting to 100. This is another one I have not seen. Next one is The Call, from the creator of Final Destination. I see that it has Tobin Bell, Lin Shaye. Interesting. Hopefully this is good. Another one I have not seen. Okay. And last but not least, we have Pig. This is a Nicolas Cage film. I also have not seen this. I like that it has the slipcover. Finally, they haven't had a slipcover in several months, and this time around they actually had one with a slipcover, so that's pretty good. So there you have it. This is the HorrorPack for the month of June. I have not seen any of these films, so I have a lot to watch. And hopefully you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.